Great morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Today we'll start the lesson 2 of EVS, that is human body. So, children, let's start the lesson. And here is a grandmother and the granddaughter. And the Saina, here's girl's name is Saina. Saina is asking to her grandmother, why does this puzzle have so many parts? Here's a puzzle and it's in the parts. So, children, her grandmother is saying these are all parts of the body. Let's put together to see what it looks like. Now, let us put them together to see what she looks like. So, children, when she put them together, it's look like a human body. Here you will see the human body, and here is a part of human body like face, neck, arm, elbow, wrist, thigh, knee, heel, toes, hand, ear, shoulder, chest, stomach, wrist, hands, finger, legs, ankle, and foot. And you know that our body is made up of number of parts, and they work together to help us to do our daily chores, and all parts have a different function. You know that. So, children, here is the function of leg. You will see the different function of legs. Legs help us to walk, kick, climb, run, hop, jog, and dance, etc. Okay. And here is the function of hands. So, what are the function of hands? Like eating, holding, writing, and lift things. You will see here girl is writing, eating, here is a holding and the lifting. These are the function of hands. And children, we use arm, shoulder and hands together to push, pull and throw things. You will see here push, pull and the throw things. So push, pull and throw, the function of the shoulders and hands. We do this function with shoulder and hands. And here is a function of back, like here we also use our back to stand straight, bend forward and backward. These are the function of our back. And children, what we do with the knees, we use our knees to bend down, squat, kneel. This is a position of squat, and kneel position and bend, kneel and squat we do with our knees. Okay. And next topic is the sense organ. So, children, what are sense organ? Sense organ help us to know about the things around us, and there are 5 sense organ in our body: eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. These all are sense organs, and our sense organ help us to know about the thing around us. So, how they help? Like the function of eye, we can see the size, shape and color of the thing around us with the help of our eye. You know that with our eye we can see the size, what is the size of the thing, what is the shape of the thing, what is the color of the thing. We can see only with our eyes. And second sense organ is nose. So nose help us to smell. Smell can be good or bad. Both type of smell can be good or bad. Third sense organ is ear. So children, ears help us to hear different sound, and sound can be loud or sound can be soft. Next is tongue. So children, tongue helps us to taste sweet, sour, bitter, salty. Here's a sweet taste, and here's a sour like lemon, bitter like bitter gourd, and salty like chips. And sweet, you know that sweet dish, rasgulla, many dishes you are eating. And the last sense organ is skin. Skin is the largest sense organ, and skin help us to feel. Skin help us to feel hard, soft, cold, smooth, rough surfaces, and we touched things to feel them with the help of skin. Now children, next topic is growing older. How we grow older? From a baby we grow up to be a girl or a boy. We know children, we are born as a babies. From being a baby we grow up to be a girl or a boy. We grow further to become a young woman or man. After many years we start growing old. As we grow older we become weak and our looks change. And here is the growth of the plant. A seed grow into a sapling, which become a small plant, and finally a tree. You know that first a seed grow into the sapling, small plant, a baby plant, we can say, to the sapling, and sapling changes into the plant, and plant changes into the tree. Here here you can see seed, sapling, plant, and the tree. These are the stages of the plant, how plant grow. And next is the what is the stages of bird. Like in the same way, chicks come out of the egg and grow into a bird. First the egg changes into the chick, and chick changes into the bird, like hen. These are the stages of the animals. How do animals grow. And then he grew into you have to see here the growth of the puppy. First is a small puppy, after that small puppy change into the young puppy, and young puppy change into the dog. So these are the growth of the body of the animal. Okay children, so you have seen in this lesson, you have seen the function of the different parts, like hand, legs, shoulder, back, knees, and you have learnt about the sense organ. There are 5 sense organ in our body, and the function of sense organ you have seen here. And next topic you have seen how we grow. First we are baby, after that we are a young child, after that adult person, and after adult person we will become a old person. These are the changes in our human body. And you have seen the changes in the plants, animals, etc. And I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you.